In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your team and customers in QuickBooks Time. We'll walk through getting into QuickBooks Time from QuickBooks Online, then cover the essentials for keeping your team and customer lists clean, current, and ready for accurate time tracking. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Time. From there, choose the area you're working in, Time Entries, Approvals, or Schedule, and then select the green button that says Launch QuickBooks Time. That button opens the QuickBooks Time workspace that connects directly to your QuickBooks Online company, so everything stays synced. Inside QuickBooks Time, let's manage your team first. Click My Team. This is the hub where you can add people and keep their details organized. To bring someone new on, choose the option to add a new employee or contractor. As you add them, make sure their name and email are accurate, so they receive any necessary invites and can access time tracking without issues. You can edit a team member's profile to update their name, email, role, or status. Roles help clarify what someone should see and do, while status determines whether they're active and able to track time. If someone leaves or is taking a break, deactivate them rather than deleting. This preserves historical time data while keeping your active list tidy. Assign permissions based on what each person needs. For example, managers may need to approve time, while others might only need to clock in and out. Always save your changes before moving on. Next, manage your customers. In the QuickBooks Time menu, click Customers. To add a new one, select the plus Add Customer option and enter the details you want to track against time. Keep names consistent with what you use in QuickBooks Online, so syncing stays smooth. You can also edit any existing customer to refine their information as your records evolve. From here, assign customers to projects or to specific employees. This step ensures the right people can track time to the right customer, which is crucial for accurate billable hours, job costing, and reporting. Assignments help limit clutter for your team and reduce mistakes when selecting where time should go. All the changes you make in QuickBooks. Time sync with QuickBooks Online. That integration is what keeps your time tracking, invoicing, and reports aligned, so you can bill confidently and see the true cost of work. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.